Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. Botvin or Malika, and in today's video I'm going to be seeing how much I can crochet in 10 hours. So I did 10 hours because it's currently 9 a.m. right now, and if I do 12 hours that means I will have to stop at 9 p.m. and I'm trying to be in bed by 9 p.m. so I'm doing 10 hours so I can be in bed at the time I want to be in bed, so I don't have to worry about anything else. But anyway, so I'm going to see how much I can crochet in 10 hours, and I'm currently working on a crochet project this time. I just finished my first knit project, my first knitted sweater vest, which came out amazing, and now I'm back to crocheting. I like switching back and forth because I don't want to just knit and I don't want to just crochet. I like the in-between of switching from crocheting and knitting. So I'm currently working on this oversized sweater. I don't know what I want to name it. I know I want it to be like something along like something that represents blue, like I'm thinking sapphire sweater or something like that. I don't know. That's what's resonating with me right now, but we'll see what I think of later. But this is how it's coming out, and I love these colors. Like, are you kidding me? It's so beautiful. But anyway, I'm on row 21 right now, and it is 9:34. Let's see, it's 9:34, and I'm gonna see how much I can get done in 10 hours. So I'm not really going to be talking much in this video. I just want to crochet. So that's what's going to happen, and let's just get right into it. Bye. Okay guys, so it is 8:35 and I started at 9, so it's actually been 11 hours instead of 10. And I started on row 21 this morning and now I'm on row 54. So I did like 30 something rows, which is crazy because I honestly didn't expect to get that much done, because I'm literally almost done with the front panel because I don't want it, like, you can literally see I'm almost done. Just have, like, you know, that and then the straps. Is it the straps? You know, the shoulder stuff. And then I'll be working on the back panel. Leave me alone. God. So that's how much I can crochet in 12 hours. And I know I could have done more, but 11 hours. That's how much I can crochet in 11 hours instead of 12. Instead of 12. I was initially supposed to do 10, but I did 11 on accident because me and my sisters and I were watching a show together, so I ended up still crocheting. But now I'm getting ready for bed, so it's not, you know, it's not 9 yet, which is good. Almost 9. Anyway, I don't even know why I'm saying all this. So that's all for this video. And since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!